Hi guys, and welcome back to another iPhone how-to video. In this video I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone. There might be a few reasons for this. Your iPhone might have crashed, or you might be running an app and it's crashed, or you've installed a new screen or battery and it's not coming back on. So this is how we do it. It's quite easy. You've got the volume up, volume down button and the lock button on the side, and you can do this whether the phone's locked as well. What we need to do is press the volume up, volume down button and the lock button all sort of at the same time. So up, down, lock. Keep holding your finger on the lock button even though it's got this slide to power off. Then once the screen becomes black, we wait for the Apple logo and the phone will start back up basically to the lock screen. Just give it a few seconds. It does take a bit of time sometimes. There we go. So we'll wait for that to start back up. And this is different from a normal shutdown as well. This is a iPhone 14 I think, running the latest iOS 18. And if you have got an older iPhone, the procedure might be slightly different with the buttons, but it basically does the same thing. So that's restarted, and hopefully this video helps you. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.